Nick from California Tiny House here on another tiny house tour. Today we've got one of the coolest houses I think we've shown to date. Today we've got a 10 by 20. We've got an awesome 8 by 28, 10 by 28 plus 7. Yeah, it's another gooseneck. Welcome to this tiny house tour. What's up everyone? It's Nick from California Tiny House on another tiny house tour. Today we're doing 10 by 24. So this is their view when they stand up in their bed by having a staircase that's wrapping straight down a wall. To be used as their vacation cabin. And it can sleep 6 people. That's right, 6 people. It's got a farmhouse sink. Pull it right out like this. Here we go. This little tiny window brings in so much natural light, and especially when you have one on both sides. That's actually her tiny house bicycle garage. This house is awesome. Let's go inside. Come on, check it out. You can still see all the windows. It feels very bright, very open. Across the entire loft, lets a ton of natural light in. 2-story bedroom. Tiny house tour.